This simple multi-step equation has positive variable and negative variable on the left side. In addition, we have double negatives. Let's see how we can tackle this situation. To begin with, we are going to use the blue pawn to represent the 2x. As you can see, we need to subtract a negative x. I don't have a negative x to subtract. The 2x is the blue pawn. I need to remove a negative x. I don't have a negative x to remove. So I am going to use the idea of zero pair. So let me bring in a zero pair. A zero pair does not change the value of the 2x because this is 2x plus 0. So I have not changed the value on the left side. Now this is 2x and I brought in a zero pair. Now I am going back into the full set of the left side. 2x subtract a negative x. Now I can subtract the negative x. Now the left side, you can see this becomes 2x plus x. And the right side, let's go ahead and finish setting this up to be as 10 plus 2. Now you see the reason why the double negative becomes a positive. So now the left side is nothing but 3x and the right side is 12. We need to divide the 12 among the 3 blue pawns. Let's go ahead and divide by 3 on both sides of the equation. I am going to swap the 12 with 4 plus 4 plus 4. So each x in this case is going to take on the value of 4. So x is equal to 4.